Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create milestones in a Gantt chart here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating milestones in a Gantt chart in Smartsheet is a straightforward process that helps you track key points or critical achievements in your project timeline. If you haven't already created the Gantt chart, we can start to create from scratch by clicking on this option right here. Click on File, Create New. Or simply click this plus button on the left side panel of the dashboard. Click that. All right, and click a Gantt. You see, just wait for it. If this is your first time creating a Gantt chart, so we can start from scratch. Okay, here, for example, now I'm gonna change the names for this one. I'm going to make it Deep Laughs. Let me change that. Now, in this primary column, I'm gonna put in a task like, for example, a milestone, is it? And I'm gonna set the duration to 0. Okay, after that, the next is now on the start date. Maybe I'm gonna choose maybe a September, or maybe next week, September 10th, and then it's gonna be finished around. Now when I added those values, you see there's gonna be this small icon that is the milestone, right? And I put in the dates here. If I change this one to maybe 11, you see, where is it, right? So I'm gonna put in on the that, and I'm gonna put in the 0. You see that is our milestone. And then from here, now the good thing about milestone is that you can drag it all the way to your connectors. For example, this one, I'm gonna connect it here around, probably around here, so I can have more control over it. But the thing is, when you've entered the milestone date in the start date column, milestone typically have a single specific date rather than a range. And of course, as you can see it from here, that milestones represent significant achievements or achievements in your project, making it easier to monitor important deadlines and progress because they help identify major deliverables or phases that are crucial to the project's success. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.